Hey everyone, I'm with my buddy Charlotte, and we're gonna help you out today with American English to British English translations. So you all know that I'm American.
And I'm British.
So come with us, we're gonna help you out. I met Charlotte here in London, as well as her dog, Hamish.
Hello everyone.
Is that
He's
Hamish's
British
voice?
too.
Yeah, he's British too. Before we get to the official translations, I want to tell you guys to sign up for my newsletter. They should do that, right?
Oh, totally.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be sending out one email a month with the highlights, the coolest things I've seen around the internet, the things that I've done that I think you might enjoy. So sign up to it. The link is in the description box below. And if you sign up before January 26th, what happens, Charlotte?
You automatically get entered into a giveaway competition.
I'm giving away 3 of my favorite cookbooks. One of those just happens to be my own cookbook.
It's a good one.
Thank you. There are many words that are slightly different in American English and British English. So how about I'll say a sentence and then you translate it.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Okay. I took the elevator up to my apartment and I realized, oh, I forgot the stroller down on the sidewalk.
I took the lift up to my flat and then I thought, jolly. I forgot my pram on the pavement.
Exactly.
I've never said jolly in my
One of my other favorite kind of switch ups is how we say pants, but what do you guys call them?
Trousers.
And that is important to know because what does pants mean in British English?
Underwear.
Underwear. So don't be going up to someone saying, "Do you like my pants?"
Unless that's what you were going for.
Unless that's what you were going for.
Chatting someone up, I don't know.
Exactly. I'll leave that up to you, but now you're armed with the knowledge. Sweater,
A jumper.
cash register,
The till.
flashlight.
Torch.
Okay, so now let's get to the real reason we have come together today.
Hamish. No. No, it's about food, of course.
Charlotte and I are here to make your food experience better. If you are British coming to America, or American coming to England.
Rocket.
Arugula. Rocket's way more fun.
That's easy to spell.
Yes. I misspelled arugula the first take.
Alright, let's start again.
Okay. Cilantro.
Coriander.
That kind of blew my mind the first time. Because we have dried coriander.
Is that the same thing as like dried cilantro?
I don't know. While leafy cilantro and coriander seeds come from the same plant, you'd never know it from their aromas and flavors. Coriander is the dried seed of the cilantro.
Beetroot.
Beets! So kind of similar, right? So is this plural and singular?
To my knowledge, I think so.
It's like the word moose.
Meese.
Zucchini equals...
Courgette.
So French.
I love a good gherkin.
I love pickles too.
Also in London, we would have the gherkin building in the city. So that would be the pickle building.
It's called the Gherkin building because it's a building that kind of looks like a pickle, right?
It does.
It also kind of looks like something else.
Yeah, they didn't think that one through.
Pants. Eggplant.
Aubergine. I think we get a lot of our food words from the French. All the nobility spoke French and all the working class spoke English, and that's why you have like beef and pork and cow and pig, because it's from buff and
Right.
pork.
Charlotte, you're like a historian. I didn't even know.
Prawn.
Shrimp.
So you have like a shrimp curry, is that what you say?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I love a good fava bean.
And I love a good broad bean.
That was a weird one to make singular, wasn't it? For me. Just one little fava bean, that's all I need.
That's enough.
That's enough. That'll do. They were quite broad.
Is it the same thing as a horse bean or no?
I don't know what a horse bean is.
They're also quite broad. Simply icing sugar.
Not so simply, confectioner sugar, or if you want to call it powdered sugar, that's okay too. It does make sense because you use icing sugar to make icing.
Yeah, but powdered sugar equally makes just as much sense to me.
Yeah, true. Good job, America. Baking soda.
Bicarbonate of soda. Pak choy.
Bok choy.
I don't speak Cantonese, so I don't know which one's more accurate.
What is it in Mandarin?
Bai tai. So maybe...
Now you know 3 different languages. Dessert.
Pudding. Or depending on where you are in the UK, it could be dessert as well.
For us in America, a pudding is a type of dessert.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas here, pudding is just the sweet bit after a meal, right? Pretty much?
Yeah, it's pretty generic. You can say, right, time for pudding before you even choose what you're going to have. Chopping board.
Is for us a cutting board. So like, you know, give or take the same. It's like, you're gonna know what the person's talking about.
Yeah.
But it's little things like this that I try to be good about remembering to say chopping board or like chopping block, right? Because I live here now. I should be saying it like that.
That's very considerate.
Aww, I try. Plastic wrap, or we would also say saran wrap.
Cling film.
And then another one, which we didn't write down, but I also get wrong all the time, is paper towels.
Ah.
You guys call?
Kitchen towels.
Kitchen roll, right?
Kitchen roll, yeah.
Yeah. Bonus vocab word for you.
Also, I hate cling film. It's the bane of my existence.
Cling film is the worst. Oh,
Hamish is on the move.
Hamish. Oh, he's like, I am over this. I am over this game.
There's no actual food.
There's no actual food. It looks the same, but I say oregano.
And I say oregano.
She puts a different emphasis on a different syllable.
What would the Italians say?
Oh, that's a good question.
Because that would probably be the one we should use.
If you're Italian, leave a comment below. Thanks.
Another Frenchie. Mange tout.
Aha! Snow peas.
I didn't know they were the same thing.
Dinner.
Let's have supper. Or dinner. Or tea.
So, what determines when you would say all of those words?
I think it's where you grew up. Different parts of the UK have very different words for dinner.
You know, I know what supper is. I feel like some people say supper in America, but it's like an old-fashioned thing, kind of. Like I feel like, not even my grandparents, but like grandparents would say supper.
No one says tea though, right?
Not unless they mean tea that you drink.
What are we having for tea, love? That's a thing people say.
If someone said that to me, I would enjoy it.
The
And thanks for watching, guys. These are the things that I've written down that I have kind of stumbled upon or learned. If you know any other terms that you think would be interesting, please leave a comment below. We want everyone to learn from this video and look forward to going to the other country, whichever country that may be.
And also correct us if we were wrong in any of the, pronunciations or descriptions.
It's true. And if we got anything wrong, it's Hamish's fault.
Oh, totally.
And while you are on the interwebs, you should check out Charlotte's YouTube channel. I'm linking to it here. She's an amazing photographer, so you should also check out her Instagram and her website and all that fun stuff.
Don't forget to subscribe to Katie's newsletter for the chance to win those cookbooks.
Yes, subscribe to that. The description is in the link below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? And you should go ahead and press that subscribe button too. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!
Bye! He's so intense.
Looking at me so intensely.
Well, I woke up today and he was doing that in my face.
You were kind of creepy.
It's super creepy. I was asleep.